While most celebrations of the Feast of the Santo Niño features grand festivals and ritual prayer dances, Maasin City, Southern Leyte honors the Holy Child in a unique and meaningful way. Philippine Information Agency Southern Leyte, Bong Pedalino has the details.
Most Feast of the Santo Niño celebrations across the Philippines are marked by vibrant festivals and traditional prayer dances. But in Maasin City, Southern Leyte, the celebration takes a different route, literally. Crowds gathered by the sea for the annual Sakay-Sakay Festival, a cultural and religious event that pays homage to the Holy Child Jesus. This tradition, which began years ago, is Maasin City's localized version of the famous Sinulog Festival of Cebu. The Sakay-Sakay Festival commemorates the fluvial journey of the Santo Niño's image from Limasawa Island, where the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines was celebrated, to Maasin City. A colorful fluvial parade brings this historical moment to life. Beyond the religious aspect, the event has grown into a vibrant celebration with street dancing, coastal decorations, sailboat displays, and even giant puppets.
Itong Sakay-Sakay Festival ay isang pagdiriwang selebrasyon sa tradisyon, kultura at pananampalataya sa mahal na Señor Santo Niño.
The Sakay-Sakay Festival has become a beloved tradition in Maasin City, bringing together faith, history, and vibrant festivities to honor the Santo Niño. Indeed, it's a celebration that highlights the city's deep cultural and spiritual roots. From Philippine Information Agency, Bong Pedalino for Balitang Pambansa.